Brazil.
We live in Salvador, Brazil, so it's definitely big city, high-rise, apartment-style living.
This is our computer where my mom and dad like to work, and this is our dining room. I'm going to show you where we like to eat like this out here and enjoy the view. I also really like the fresh air. We'll show you the bedrooms. They're over here. So this is my little sister Cambry's room, and this is where she sleeps, and this is the bathroom. This is Macy's room. And here's the...
Hi, Truman. This is Macy's room.
And here's the bathroom next to the door. And this is our bathroom.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a tour of my bedroom. My favorite thing about our room is that when we wake up in the morning, we look right at this wall. So right here we have our goals for the next 3 to 5 years, our specific goals for 2018, our business plan, our motivation board, and we're super organized. Also, we read a sacred scroll together every morning out of an awesome book that I will link below. Here's my bathroom. Got 2 sinks, nice shower. Okay, now we're off to the kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna take you into our kitchen. Brazil has these little refrigerators that are like cute, and I was like, I'm gonna need like 2 or 3 of these for my family. But what I learned, which there's not very much stuff in there because I need to go grocery shopping. What I learned is that Brazilians really don't refrigerate a lot of things. They don't refrigerate eggs, milk, meat, butter. Those things are all in the cupboard. So there are my eggs. Here's some cupboard space. And here's our milk. Bags of milk. And I don't think I have any meat right now. We've eaten it all. But I have rice, beans, noodles, coconut milk. So here's the kitchen. Kind of simple. There's food up in those top cupboards, and there's pots and pans down here. My favorite thing about this kitchen is this water filter. It's like super convenient and awesome. It's not high Sierra, delicious Nevada water, but it'll work. It's good. Okay, so get ready for this because you might seriously freak out when I show you my clothes dryer. This is kind of the back of the kitchen. And here is the clothes dryer. You might be wondering, what the heck is that? Well, that's what I thought. It's a rack that like folds up small and gets bigger. And this is how Brazilians dry their clothes. It's great because it's already laid out, and so I can just say, hey kids, go get your laundry and put it away. And it's already like visible and organized for them. And when they pull it off, it's already folded in half. So like the work's already halfway done when it's hung like this, and I think it's perfect. This is Lexi's room. She has a little room in here, and she's got a little bathroom in there, and that's an exit.